The number 6 reason that people might choose to do a short-term rental versus flipping, or might choose to do a flip versus a short-term rental, may seem obvious to some, but not so obvious to others. That is appreciation. Right now, real estate is going through the roof. They're experiencing higher than normal levels of appreciation. Well, depending on if you own that short-term rental or if you're renting it, doing a rental arbitrage, you will not be experiencing appreciation at all if it's a rental arbitrage. You can experience some of that appreciation if it is a property that you own and you're using as a short-term rental. But as a flip, when you're only owning them for 6 months, you're not going to see that appreciation generally in 6 months. You may see it in a year, so if it's a really long flip, it takes you a very, very long time. You might see it in a year. You might even see it if something happens and your project goes completely sideways, like a friend of ours. He held his property for 3 years, not intentionally, but in doing so, the market went so crazy. Instead of losing almost $700,000, he profited almost $700,000 just in appreciation. So appreciation is the number 6 reason why people choose to do short-term rentals versus flipping, is because as a flip, you get no appreciation. It really doesn't translate. If the short-term rental is one that you're buying and holding, then you definitely will be able to take advantage of that appreciation. If it's a rental arbitrage, you will not. If you're interested in learning more about how to do short-term rentals or corporate rentals, and you're eager to learn, but you want to learn hands-on, you want to learn from somebody who's experienced, who's been doing it for quite a while, and is clearly making a profit and a living at it. If that's the case, you're going to want to click on the link below. When you do, you're going to find a time on our calendar that works for you to meet with us. And we'll connect you with ways that you can learn. Whether you're a book learner who would rather learn through a training module, or whether you're a hands-on learner who wants to dive right in and wants to start doing and learning that way. Education, there's always a price to our education, but the price is whether or not we're willing to pay it and whether or not we're willing to get those returns. So if that's you and you're willing to learn how to do this, or you're interested in making money in short-term rentals passively, don't want to do any of the work, you just want to make the money passively on the short-term rental side, if that's you, you're going to want to click on the link below. Schedule a time to get on a call with us, and when you do, we'll tell you about all the different opportunities in the short-term rental space that are available to you for as little as $10,000 of an investment. That investment is clearly paid back to you every single time with a return. So you have your choice. Learn and gain all that knowledge and experience while getting paid. Just invest passively, take advantage of the great returns. Don't worry about learning and just keep rinsing and repeating. It's just your choice, just like corporate short-term rentals versus flipping. You make the decision as to what is right for you and your business. So if it's going to be right for you, click on the link below, set up a time to meet with us. We'll be happy to talk with you on a quick 20-minute consultation, absolutely free, and present opportunities, and you decide what's right for you. No pressure. Have a great day. Bye for now.